Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to test a Magnetron. So we're going to use the continuity setting there with a little sound wave, and you'll notice it makes a noise when you touch the two ends together. That's a good thing, and that would mean that you have good continuity. And so as you touch both ends of the plug, you'll hear it beep. That's what it should do, okay? Now, what you'll want to do now is touch an end of the plug and then the casing in different areas. And so if it makes a noise, that's a problem. If it's silent, that's good. You want the noise when you're touching just the two connections here. You do not want the noise as you put it on each of these prongs for the plug and then touch the case. And so that's the way that you can test it. If you did hear a sound, you would know that you have a short, and basically the power that you're sending through the multimeter is not staying within the circuit, so you'd have an open circuit. So anyway, that's how you can test the Magnetron. And anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you check the video description, I will put a link to the entire process of removing the microwave, disassembling it, and taking out your Magnetron for testing. So anyway, thanks for watching.